Thank you, guys. So thank you, Prabir, for joining us. And just to like those of you who don't know, so Prabir is actually the one who's actually set up the programmatic setup in India that we see DBM already. I remember 2 years back at Comly when we were setting up a DSP, nobody really understood. The agencies were actually throwing us out that what are you trying to do out here? Thanks to DBM, that people right now are at least accepting programmatic and understanding the mix of how RTB is working. So, Prabir, the first thing that, one very quick question, very straight to the point I want to ask is, when we're launching something like Native, which is going to be available on CPC, pay-per-click model, how do you see that as impacting the current, like search? I mean, I know you've been on the search side for some time, and I read your recent post as well on search. So, how do you see that impacting search and the affiliate and the performance business right now? I mean, India being so heavy on performance and affiliates that we all know. How do you see that impacting the current stream?
Thanks, Vicky, for your very kind words. It's truly an honor to be here and sharing this desk with you. To address your question in terms of what's really happening with different channels that people are advertising on, I think digital was, when we started 10 years back, was struggling. It's now reaching a point where people have kind of maxed out on each channel that they're kind of operating on, whether that's PPC, whether that's social, video, mobile, whatever that might be. They're looking at quicker ways of, or what we call the quick wins in the market. That's not really impacting the way CPCs are behaving. I think the conversation in our world is more about efficiency from an overall perspective, not just looking at one metric like a CPC or a CTR. But we're seeing advertisers that largely that we work with are having a different set of conversations around measurement. So CPC is kind of taking the backseat, and we've seen that as an evolution that when digital grows, people move away from cost efficiencies to look at profit margins and then start looking at how digital is really driving my bottom line. So we have crossed the first level, which has taken us almost 10 plus years. But now we're seeing a lot of people saying that, hey, if I am advertising on search, social, mobile, video, native, affiliates, network, blah, 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 how can I then start to make sure that all of these channels put together is driving an X percentage profitability to my business? So that's how advertiser landscape has largely changed.
Okay. And when you said that, like search, display, mobile, social, now native is going to be seen as one vertical. And that brings me to my next question. Which of the, like you probably dealt with the top 25 advertisers in the country at least, and these categories probably like e-commerce, retail, travel, telecom, auto, FMCG, BFSI. Which of these categories actually would give the highest weightage or is accepting and adopting native right now, like to the fullest, at least from the most advanced ones, from these categories?
Okay, strangely it's not the top guys. It's B2B, which is pretty dominant on native, because B2B has always been around content-based marketing, and they've kind of latched onto it very, very quickly. We're seeing some guys on finance vertical getting onto it very slowly, but not very large spenders on native. We will see a lot of auto guys, automobiles come in. CPG always has struggled with content because there's not much to really associate with it. And plus their brand guidelines are very stringent. They only want to be seen on certain type of content. Yeah, which in some cases can become a bit tricky when you're talking about native. So we're still seeing CPG kind of going, yeah, we'll test it out, but we don't know how much trust we have on this platform. So a lot of traction on B2B is coming on board. A lot of traction from technology companies coming on board. When we say technology, it's the likes of Intel, the likes of Lenovo, the manufacturers of technology or devices, so to say. E-commerce, I think, is still very much performance and affiliate driven because they're all starting their businesses right now. So it's all about proving the meat right now. And as they evolve, I'm pretty sure they'll start evolving into native. We've seen that happen in Southeast Asia with the likes of Zalora, the likes of equivalent of what we have in India, getting onto native. So we've just started the journey. What we've seen also is globally, we think that native is a $5 billion opportunity. And we see of that $5 billion, a good 30-40% coming out of this particular region. So we are just on the tip of the iceberg. I think the full scene is yet to unveil. So big opportunity for all of us out there.
I can imagine with e-commerce, what are people like, instead of just saying that come look up for housing out here, I don't know how that's going to shape out. Like, there are 5 different ways you can come and read about us. So the most important last question that is, how do you see like now the native is accepted as part of programmatic and IAB is approved 6 ad units and that's going to be part of RTB. So today whatever you're buying and selling on the exchange, even the native ad units are going to be part of that. How do you see that as a big kicker for us for the next 2 years that will really help us grow native, because everybody, like every publisher, every network, every ad platform is launching their own native. Everybody have their own different native ad units. Now that IAB centralized it, now that the entire forum, every company is going to have these set units, and then you can come and plus ons with your own one. Do you think that will be a nice kicker for us that we're getting to launch with native?
Yeah, I think with IAB launching standards around native has been a big kicker for us. As DoubleClick, we kind of waited and watched this industry because we are very focused on making sure the kind of ads which are being delivered are of the best quality, the most transparent, most trackable. We were kind of on the back seat for a long time, waiting and watching how this industry is going to shape up. With IAB now stepping up, saying that, hey guys, these are the global standards. If publishers are following on RTB, we should open it up. Okay. And in the last, surprisingly, the last 2 months or so, we've actually taken a big notice around that on native. We're going to start testing our some stuff in Japan as a market. And as that grows at the scale, you will definitely see a lot of this thing coming onto the Google stack or the DoubleClick offering. Like I said, it's still early days for everybody to kind of jump in. And being a large organization, we're not thinking one country, but we're thinking global adoption. So as the global adoption grows, you will see a lot of push coming from companies like ourselves. And definitely we'll support the publisher ecosystem, we'll support the advertiser ecosystem to really drive the adoption of native wherever we are present locally in the market.
Sure. Thanks. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for this session. Thank you, Prabir.
Thank you,
Prabir.